Hello everyone, welcome to Malkeet Academy. In previous video, we have learned how to add active users, contacts, guest users, and deleted users. In this video, we are going to learn about how to add a group in 365 Admin Center. For doing that, we have to go here in the group section, click on this groups. So when you click on this group section, it will take you to the group list of your admin center, and here as you can see there are so many groups already created, and this one I have created for this video. So for creating a group is very simple. You just have to click on this add a group. When you click on add a group, it will asking you to which type of group you want. So Office 365 is recommended and distribution, mail enabled security, and security group. So we will be creating this Office 365 group for this video. Click on next. So here you have to type in all the details about the name of your group and the description. In the name box you have to type in the name, and in the description you have to type your description, and it is optional you want to provide a description for your group or not. After that, click on next, and here it is asking you to add the owners for this group. So as in the previous in this group I have added these two owners in the description, so I'm adding these two members of faculty into my group. So I'm writing Alex here and then Tom. So these two faculty members will be the owners of this group, so they can manage this group in Microsoft Teams. After that, click on next. Here settings, it will asking you to provide the email ID, so be very specific about your email ID of your group. So I'm writing electrical engineering first. So you have to provide whatever your class name is. So I'm just making it making it for the demonstration. And next is privacy. So you want a public group, so anyone in your college or anyone in your institution or school can see this. So my recommendation is always make your group private, so nobody can see your group's activity. So after that, click on next, and after all these settings it will asking you to review and finish adding up the group. So all the settings are good. If you want to add something to it, you can add here. If you want to make the owner someone else, you can add it here. And last, click on the group. So it will create my electrical engineering first year session 2020 and 21 group. So my next step will be, I've already added two faculty members here. Now it's time to add the students itself into this group. So this new group has been created. Click on the close button. So it will add it to your this list of your groups here in the group section. So after refreshing, it will appear here in the list, Electrical Engineering for session 2021. Now it's time to add here the members, the students into this group. So for doing that, we have to go to the active users, and we have to assign the users to this group. For doing that, I'm filtering out all the students. Currently, all these students are for demonstration, but when you are working on actual students, so be very careful when you are assigning to which group, because for large organization it is very difficult to assign individual groups, individual students to groups, and so it is very hard for that. So be very specific about how to filter out your particular students. So I apply this filter on students because this filter has this because this filter has some option here So here I'm filtering out all the students by providing the job title. So when you are loading your CSV file, so be very specific about all these things, so later on you can easily find out the required students. Now I have only 14 students in my institution, so I'm selecting all of them from here. So these are all 14 students. Now next step is to add all these 14 groups to the group that I have created here. Now I have to add all these members of these students to my group that I have created. So click on this three dots button. Here you can see you can reset password for all these students, export users to Excel or other formats. Here you have to click on this manage group to add all these students to any particular group. So click on manage group. So when you click on manage group, it is asking you to select a group. So currently I have 4 groups. I am adding all these 14 users to this electrical engineering group. So select that group and click on save. So your members will be automatically added to your group. So these are all the members. Students are successfully added to this group. Verify that. Let's go to the groups and let's check our members has been added or not. So I'm clicking on this electrical engineering session 2021. So click on this members. So as you can see, it has two owners. These are the faculty members and these are the members. So I have successfully added students to a particular. So adding groups in this admin panel is quite easy and very simple. If we try to add these groups in Microsoft Teams, so in that case it is very hard for you to add members and make owners, because if you are working for a very large organization like a very big university or school which has so many students, so my recommendation is to always add groups, teams, or assign it owners and members from the admin panel. Coming to next two options are deleted groups and shared mailboxes. So whenever in the groups you delete any group, it automatically added to your deleted groups, and from here you can recover it, but after 30 days it will automatically permanently deleted. And in shared mailboxes, here this can be used by a group of people like support team to receive and send email from the same email address. So you can add a shared mailbox if you want here. In the next video, I will show you how to log in Microsoft Teams for a faculty member and a student, because later on we have to make different policies for both students and faculty members. Because in your organization or institutions as an admin, you do not want that students are creating their own teams, scheduling their own private meetings or private chats and so on. So we have to put some restrictions on students. For that we have to make all sorts of policies for students or our guest members and even for some faculty members. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.